What's your name? Where are you from? Why do you want to learn English? Welcome to Preply Word Up, our series of short videos from expert Preply tutors who will help you understand the basics of learning a new language to reach your personal goals faster. As Preply tutors, we know how to help you get language learning wins and how to avoid language learning fails. By the end of this video, you will know how to ask some of the most common questions in English and understand what they mean. Questions help you find new information and make connections with other people. If you want to practice using questions, you can also take live, one-on-one English lessons with me or another Preply tutor by clicking on the link in the description below. Okay, are you ready to get started? Let's look at the basics. Questions in English often start with the same words. They are what. Use what when you are asking for information about something. What car do you drive? When. Use when to ask information about a time or date. When do you normally go on vacation? Where. Use where to ask for information about place. Where do you work? Who. Use who to ask about a person or people. Who is the manager? Why. Use why to ask for a reason. Why did you choose to go to college? Which. Use which to ask about choice. Which coat do you prefer? Whose. Use whose to ask about ownership. Whose apartment is this? How. Use how to ask about manner or condition. How do you feel about working for this company? Now, we're going to look at some common English questions. Pause the video after I ask them and see how many you can answer. If you don't understand, don't worry. I'll also give you some typical answers. What's your name? My name is Sabrina. How are you feeling? I'm feeling great today. What's up? Nothing, I'm fine. Where are you from? I'm from Venezuela. What do you do? I'm a language tutor on Preply. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. How's the weather today? It's sunny but cold. Whose bag is this? It's mine. What time is it? It's 1:30. Where do you live? I live in Barcelona. Where did you learn English? I grew up in the US, so I learned it there. What do you like to do on your free time? I love going to concerts and doing yoga. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is Mexican. Which color do you prefer? I like the blue one. Let's recap everything we have learned today. Questions in English often start with the words what, when, where, who, why, which, or how. Understanding these words is key to asking and answering questions in English. Remember, you can rewatch this video as many times as you like. Repeat the question words, write them down, and try and use them in your next English conversation. And that's it for this lesson. Check out more Word Up videos by subscribing to the Preply channel here. See you next time.